What actually is a large language model? At its core, an LLM is a program that predicts text. It learned this by reading a huge slice of the internet. Books, code, articles, and websites, trillions of words in total. But it did not memorize those words like a database. A database looks up an exact answer that someone stored. An LLM instead learns patterns and works with probabilities. Ask it the same thing twice, and the wording can change. To read your text, the model first splits it into tokens. A token is a small chunk, often a word or part of a word. Roughly, 100 tokens is about 75 English words. Tokens matter because you are billed and limited by the token. Now here is the core trick: next token prediction. The model looks at all the tokens so far. Then it scores every possible next token by probability. For the sky is, blue scores high and green scores low. It picks one token from those odds and adds it to the text. Then it repeats, feeding its own output back in as new input. This loop runs token by token until the answer is finished. A setting called temperature controls how random each pick is. Low temperature stays safe and predictable, high gets creative. That randomness is why the same prompt can give different answers. It also explains why a model can be confidently wrong. It is chasing likely words, not checking facts against the truth. So it can write a smooth, fluent sentence that is simply false. We call that a hallucination, and you must always verify it. The model only sees what fits inside its context window. That window is its short-term memory, and it has no other. Once text scrolls out of the window, the model forgets it. Some models run in the cloud, on someone else's servers. Others run locally, on your machine, keeping your data in-house. A base model only predicts text from its raw training. An instruction-tuned model is trained further to follow requests. The chat assistants you use are the instruction-tuned kind. Now the golden rule: treat every model like a public channel. Never send it passwords, secrets, or private student data. So, a quick recap of what a model really is. It predicts tokens in a loop, and it thinks in probabilities. It has a context window, it can hallucinate, and it is not private.